The Sanskrit word nidra is translated both as sleep and as dreamless deep sleep. Sleeping is when all your systems a chance to relax, restore and rejuvenate. A lot of what happens during sleep is still a mystery. From the yogic perspective, the process of sleep is one of the processing of digesting, releasing thoughts, ideas, plans and beliefs. In fact, if you can't let go some ideas or worries, you will probably have a hard time falling asleep. As you fall asleep, your awareness turns inwards and your reception of external sensory stimuli is turned off. During dreaming, you witness what has left an impression in you is mostly of the daily activities and interactions of what you did. The only difference in the state of Samadhi and sleep is that in sleep you are unaware, while in Samadhi you are aware. Namaste friends, my name is Ritesh and today we will be focusing on chapter number 1, that is Samadhi Pad, verse number 10, that is abhāva-pratyaya-ālambanā ttir-nidra. Abhāva, that is a plus bhava, where there is no bhava, no existence, no feeling, no emotions. Being, pratyaya, that is cognition, ālambanā, that is support, vrittis, that is modifications of the mind, operation of the mind, thought, construct, that which revolves, nidra, that is sleep. Deep sleep is the absence of reasoning, the absence of our thoughts, and all other modifications are suspected. Today, let us first understand how nidra is also one of the modifications of the mind. In the previous video, we explained about vikalpa, one of the modifications, the vrittis of the mind. Let us try to understand. Understand the fourth modifications of the mind, that is sleep. When there is no content, and even if there is content, the mind is always with content, except with sleep sometimes. Something or the other is there. Some thought is moving, some passion is moving, some desire is moving, some memory, some future imagination, some words, something is moving. When we are very fast asleep, deep sleep, content stops, mind disappears, and you are in your own self without any content. Sleep can be aklishta and aklishta. When you get up in the morning, very fresh and fine, you feel positive. That awareness is there. Such sleep is aklishta. If a person gets up in a dull state and wants to go back again in sleep, that is klishta, that is painful. According to yoga, the mind remains active even in sleep. That is why you may not feel completely rested even for sleeping for hours. Because the quality of rest depends upon how concentrated and one-pointed the mind has been in sleep. The mind as such does not cease to exist in sleep. That is why when you wake up, you remember that you have been asleep, and that you remember that you either slept well or that you had a disturbed sleep, depending on what you were experiencing while you were asleep. But the activities of the mind, that is mental modifications, during dreamless sleeps moves at a slower pace. Thus, the nervous system gets some degree of rest, and that is why after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, you get a sense of restfulness of the mind and body. Using ancient yogic meditation techniques, it is possible to experience deep sleep. That's it for the Yoga Sutra 1.10. Friends, if you have some examples to share, do mention in the comment section below. It's nice to learn, share regarding Yoga Sutra. Till then, take care, keep smiling, Namaste.